Area forecast discussion. Jacksonville. Northeast Florida is experiencing near-record heat, with temperatures reaching the upper 90s Fahrenheit. This intense heat leads to high-density altitude conditions, which can significantly impact aircraft performance, especially during takeoff and climb phases. Pilots should calculate performance data meticulously, considering the reduced air density. The atmosphere remains relatively dry, with precipitable water values between 1.1 and 1.3 inches, limiting convective activity. However, by Wednesday afternoon, widely scattered thunderstorms may develop, particularly in areas where sea breezes converge. These storms can produce localized turbulence and reduced visibility, necessitating vigilance during flight operations. Nighttime temperatures will be slightly cooler later this week, but the overall heat persists. Area forecast discussion. Melbourne. East Central Florida is under the influence of a strong mid-level ridge, resulting in very warm and humid conditions. Afternoon temperatures are climbing into the mid-90s Fahrenheit, with heat indices potentially exceeding 100 degrees. The high heat and humidity contribute to increased density altitude, affecting aircraft performance metrics. While the atmosphere is currently stable, the approaching days may see the development of isolated thunderstorms, particularly during the afternoon hours due to sea breeze interactions. Pilots should monitor for potential convective activity, which can lead to sudden changes in wind patterns and visibility. Area forecast discussion. Tampa, West Central Florida continues to experience hot and mostly dry conditions, with temperatures reaching the mid-90s Fahrenheit. The prevailing high-pressure system suppresses significant convective development, resulting in minimal thunderstorm activity. However, the intense heat contributes to high-density altitude scenarios, which can adversely affect aircraft takeoff and climb performance. Pilots should ensure accurate performance calculations and remain alert for any unexpected weather developments, especially during the peak heating hours of the day. Area forecast discussion. Miami, South Florida is under the continued influence of surface high pressure, maintaining light southeasterly winds and predominantly dry conditions. Afternoon temperatures are soaring into the lower to mid-90s Fahrenheit, with heat indices ranging between 100 and 105 degrees. These conditions lead to elevated density altitude, impacting aircraft performance. While the atmosphere remains relatively dry, the potential for isolated afternoon showers exists due to sea breeze interactions, particularly over interior regions. Pilots should be prepared for sudden changes in weather conditions, including gusty winds and reduced visibility associated with any convective activity. Summary of the peninsula's weather. Across the Florida Peninsula, a dominant high-pressure system is resulting in widespread hot and humid conditions. Afternoon temperatures are consistently reaching the mid to upper 90s Fahrenheit, with heat indices often exceeding 100 degrees. These conditions contribute to high-density altitude, which can significantly affect aircraft performance during critical phases of flight. While the atmosphere is generally stable, the potential for isolated thunderstorms exists, particularly during the afternoon hours due to sea breeze interactions. Pilots should remain vigilant for sudden weather changes, including turbulence and reduced visibility associated with convective activity. Accurate performance calculations and thorough pre-flight planning are essential to ensure safe operations in these challenging conditions.